471 species in genus Cirsium. July 9th. Cirsium, the thistle, defines July 9th. Cirsium symbolizes resilience and strength. You have a tough exterior but a soft and kind heart. Like the thistle, you can thrive in challenging conditions, standing tall and proud while offering unexpected beauty to those who take the time to look closer. The allure of thistles, a deep dive into the Cirsium genus. I've always been drawn to the unexpected beauty found in nature's underdogs. Those overlooked, often prickly characters that possess a unique charm. That's why I find myself captivated by the Cirsium genus, better known as plume thistles. These resilient plants, often dismissed as mere weeds, boast a fascinating complexity and an understated elegance that I find truly remarkable. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Thistles? Aren't those just prickly nuisances? And while some might see them that way, I see them as symbols of resilience, thriving in harsh conditions where other plants struggle to survive. Their vibrant blooms, typically shades of purple, pink, or even yellow, provide a splash of color in otherwise barren landscapes. But their beauty goes beyond just aesthetics. The Cirsium genus belongs to the Asteraceae family, a massive group that includes sunflowers and daisies. What sets plume thistles apart are their distinctive feathery pappus, a collection of hairs attached to their seeds that aids in wind dispersal. This ingenious adaptation allows them to colonize new areas with remarkable efficiency. A diverse and widespread family. The Cirsium genus is incredibly diverse, with estimates 471 species found across the globe. They've adapted to a wide range of habitats, from coastal dunes to alpine meadows, demonstrating their remarkable resilience and adaptability. See full list at monsteraholic.com. More than just a prickly weed. While often considered weeds, plume thistles play a vital role in their ecosystems. Their nectar-rich flowers are a valuable food source for a wide range of pollinators, including bees, butterflies, and hoverflies. Their seeds also provide sustenance for birds, particularly finches. Beyond their ecological importance, some Cirsium species have a history of human use. The young leaves and shoots of certain species are edible and can be cooked like spinach. Traditional medicine has also utilized various thistle species for their purported medicinal properties, though more research is needed to confirm their efficacy. Appreciating the underappreciated. In a world that often favors the showy and the conventional, I find myself drawn to the unconventional beauty of plume thistles. Their resilience, adaptability, and ecological importance make them far more than just prickly weeds. They are a testament to the tenacity of life and a reminder that beauty can be found in the most unexpected places. As I continue to explore the natural world, I'll undoubtedly encounter more fascinating members of the Cirsium genus. And each encounter will serve as a reminder to appreciate the often overlooked wonders that surround us.